Absolutely. H2O Wireless allows you to keep your existing phone number when you switch. This is called number porting. It's a straightforward process, but you'll need to meet certain requirements. You must be an active subscriber with a compatible plan. Prepaid customers can port, but postpaid customers need to settle any outstanding balances first. The number you want to port must also be active and not associated with any legal holds or fraudulent activity. H2O Wireless uses an online portal with AI-assisted verification to make the process secure and fast, and has expanded 5G coverage that seamlessly integrates with ported numbers. To port your number, you'll need your current carrier's account number, billing zip code, the last 4 digits of your SSN, and most importantly, a PIN from your current carrier. This PIN is crucial for security as it prevents unauthorized number transfers. Contact your current provider, Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, etc. to get it. Without it, the porting will fail. The standard porting process takes 5 to 10 minutes to submit online, and approval typically takes 1 to 3 business days. Delays can occur during weekends or high-volume periods, and international ports may take longer. Once approved, activation usually takes 2 to 4 hours. H2O Wireless doesn't charge a porting fee, but your old carrier might. Also, ensure your SIM is compatible with H2O Wireless.